And as usual, I'm going to be running trains again. When we are calling you. I'm just breaking some vital parts of my body. But that's really fun. Lions and tigers and bears and lions and tigers and tigers and bears. Ellen.
Hello. What are you?
It's been a long time just to see you. And let me apologize to my left. There we go. Against the oldest ground programs that recorded off TV years ago and recently affected them every day. But I don't like it whenever that thing go out or quit having the cable and satellite and stuff. I have to watch. Man, I get my metal off my boom, boom, boom. My days when I had no motorcycle. Now, back the train. Okay. I hear that train a coming. It's rolling round the bend. I've seen the sunshine. I don't know when. They're coming to take me away. Ha-ha, they're coming to take me away. They're coming to take me away. Ha-ha, they're coming to take me away. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Experience situations with a lot of kids, a lot over the years, a lot of searches. Yeah, that kind of creepy shit. Boy, that wasn't so fun. Oh, how you break this, how you bulk that, and that kind of stuff. But already raised the family. Oh, no, oh, boy. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. There's my meeting with the damn working stuff. Apparently, it's pretty cool. On top of the tree. Yeah, nice kind of party. Oh, what is it, who do you get to? I'm over there. I like watching it. But they're not there. I think it's just, it was well worth it. They're just fucking up pay for it. It's like about that. I'm not pretty up for that. You get back to but anyway, back at the funny farm, we got Playmore here to help us. Or not, I'm pretty sure. Hello, Macawana. Macawana. As I used to say when I about said that word. Got some decades I said that. I mean, yeah, man. Come on, man. Oh, that's a mother. By the toll, make you pay $15 every day. Yeah, now, oh, you. I wish. I actually had enough room to take that and then my geek goes on. At least have a good size roll I can run those things. I mean, go out there, you know, they'll have some water and that. And no electricity required. Runs off on batteries. We built two, not we built, the cell in the business operating our own in. That's something wrong since I got. I was taking my side, run for 2 hours. This batteries in, put them back in coat for my next one. 338 4, 5, 6 times for some reason. Two, same batteries. And they haven't leaked so far. And I realized I did. And that's over. I was sitting on the floor. Just saying, things got out, old stuff. And there's 4 or 5 cars. Plus all the class. Some of them didn't have the parts, so they had stuff back there. that on top on that. I'm just off camera here a little more late one because I won't move anybody outside. In the left. We're in the left. You see? But anyway, this is how we run our trains, run our trains. Just having fun all day long. Well, that's just nothing good for one thing. That's what I think. That's what I prefer. Really, good last quarter. That's right. That's good. We just know the limits. What we can do, we can't do. Okay, that's a question. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Over there.
Holy oil. Just
I'm smarter than the average man. Sometimes. That's right. Yeah, fair enough. It's too hot. It's more low, low. Everything is off and on them. There's a breakfast away. Not well, stop the train. Turn around the mountain, see you come. Here they come around the mountain, make you come. Skipping things, that is the horses to be glad, because the horses to be glad, because the horses to come. go around this way.
Okay. Oh well.
That's like a. And we'll let everybody know. That was part of it. You know, make that really big show or TV with that. Food? Or, yeah, right. Feel like it? What? Anyway, that dog right now.